In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add trusted sites in Google Chrome 2025. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access your browser settings and other tools. From that menu, click Settings. After the Settings page opens, look along the left side and select Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for how Chrome handles websites, permissions, and protections. Inside Privacy and Security, click Site Settings. This page includes permissions for things like location, notifications, pop-ups, and content behavior. Scroll until you find additional content settings, then click it to expand more options. In that list, select Ensure Content. On the Ensure Content page, find the section labeled Allowed to Show Ensure Content, and click Add. A small box will appear where you can enter the website address. Type or paste the full URL of the site you want to allow, then confirm to save it. Make sure you enter the correct address, because this permission applies specifically to the site you add. It is important to only allow websites that you know and trust. Granting this permission can reduce some of Chrome's built-in protection for that site, so it is best used only when necessary. If you ever want to remove the site later, you can return to the same Insecure Content page and manage the allowed list from there. Once the site has been added, Chrome should allow that website to display insecure content going forward. If the page was already open, refresh the tab so the new setting can take effect. That covers everything you need to know.